Welcome to this short presentation focusing on the XERAS Enterprise plan version comparison feature. In this demonstration, we'll focus around the total expenditure being our key performance indicator. We want to run a version comparison on that KPI. As we start the feature, firstly we're presented with a visual history of the particular budget we're looking at. Let's say we're looking at a forecast version of that. In the past, we can see the branching history, and perhaps this model here is our original budget. That's the version we want to compare against, so let's select it. And XERAS is now calculating the variances between the two specific versions, the budget and the forecast. Now we're presented with a couple of views for that. Firstly, up on the left-hand side here, we see the specific groupings of where the differences between the two versions lie. We can drill in and look at more detail underlying each of those. For example, under the components, we're looking at engines. Under the fuel, it's a diesel change, and so on. And we're able to visualize that in a tornado style of chart to see the various differences sorted from largest to smallest. On the right of the screen, we're presented with a bridge diagram. The first bar being the original budget. To the right, the current forecast. And now we can create the waterfall or the bridge diagram simply by selecting the items we want to present. Now we're building up a very, very powerful piece of information about how the budget has changed and what are the true variances that underlie the different versions.